asyik terseduh je. Hikap. Jadi yang semalam paling lama orang cakap, orang lama dulu ambil tisu basah taruh kat dahi kan. Orang ambil tisu basah taruh kat dahi dia. Hilang betul sih. Saintifik memang tak ada itu kan. Macam kat dekat lain kali dia buat macam gini cakap. Lama nak semalam. Selalunya orang tepuk dah hilang.
You know for adult what works kalau kena itu?
Terperanjat kan.
Tak.
Habis?
You take sips of air
Oh habis
7 times. It must be 7 times. You do 6, not enough. You do 7 times, he disappear.
Really?
Yeah, mula my friend cakap, you try because I was hiccuping. Then I say, huh? Really ah? Okay, I try. Then after that, betul-betul after the 7 stop. Like,
Tak buat video.
mana nak buat?